Hi, Joan Johnson again from J. Johnson Education Center. And so we're going to be doing mouth care. So what I did is I got all my supplies together, then I washed my hands and I put my gloves on. You have the emesis basin, you have a small cup here to rinse the mouth and to rinse the toothbrush. I have the toothbrush and it's in a cover, and toothpaste, and then I have a protector. You want to remember to put the protector on. And again, if the person is sitting up in the bed, you want to lock the bed. If they're sitting in the wheelchair, you want to do that. So I'm going to put on a protector, okay, for her so that we can do her teeth. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my toothbrush. I'm going to put a little toothpaste on here. Now, the thing about doing mouth care is when you're doing the mouth care, you have to tell them what you're doing. So I'm going to ask her to open her mouth. And so I'm going to tell her I'm doing the outer upper, then I'm doing the side upper, and then I'm doing the other side upper. So now I'm going to do the inside of the upper, the side inside of the upper, the other inside of the upper. And then I'm brushing her chewing teeth. I'm brushing those. Then I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to give her a little water so she can rinse her mouth out, and then she's going to spit that in there. Then I will let her wipe her mouth, okay? Now I'm going to do next the bottom part for her. Okay, so now she's opening her mouth. I'm doing the outside of the lower and the side and the front. And I'm telling what I'm doing, the sides of the lower. Now I'm doing the inside, front, lower, the sides of the lower, insides, okay? Then I'm rinsing my toothbrush in there. And then I'm going to let her take some water to rinse out her mouth and bring up the emesis basin for her. Dab her mouth, okay? So now I've rinsed the toothbrush again. And guess what? Now I have to do the tongue. She sticks out her tongue. You don't want to make them gag. Just move around in that tongue a little bit. All right, put that in there. Let her rinse her mouth. Okay. Let her spit into that. Thank you so much. And I'm just going to take another piece of paper here because we've used the other one. Dab her mouth a little bit here. So now I'm done with that. I can take off her protector, put it in the dirty clothes bin. I'm done with her. I can give her her call light, and anything that she needs for me to do otherwise, she will let me know. Thank you today. I want to thank Miss Yolanda for being my assistant today, and Miss Tamisha Martin for doing all the video. And again, this is J. Johnson from J. Johnson Education Center. I hope that the videos help my students to do what they need to do. And you all just have a wonderful day. One more thing. Now, somebody mentioned this. When you go to the state to test, there are 4 mandatory skills. Out of those 4 mandatory skills, you will only get one in which hand washing is actually embedded in that skill. Okay, so, and that will be your first skill. So if that's your first skill, you know that you are actually going to do hand washing after that skill. Other than that, even when you start that skill, you will hand sanitize. Do that skill and then actually do hand washing. After that, when you go to the next skill, you're going to hand sanitize. Finish that skill, hand sanitize. When you go to the next skill, hand sanitize. Finish that skill, hand sanitize. I hope that that clears up some things for you. And most importantly, when you are doing mouth care with someone, you don't put your gloves on until after you've gotten all of your equipment together. Then you put your gloves on to clean the person's mouth. I hope that this helps you. Have a great day. Thank you.